Okay, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. And now we stand at the Hoa Lư, the ancient capital of Vietnam in 10th and 11th century. Under more than 1,000 years of China domination, in 938, Vietnam regained independence from China by Ngô Quyền. But after Nguyễn passed away, some members in Ngô Quyền family fought each other to get the throne, and Vietnam panicked chaos again. And then Vietnam was divided into 12 parts, controlled 12 warlords, and that picture showed the first three dynasties in Vietnam. On the left hand, the first dynasty in Vietnam, Đinh dynasty, founded by Đinh Bộ Lĩnh. In the middle, the second dynasty, Lê dynasty, founded by Lê Hoàn. And at the right hand, the third dynasty, Lý dynasty, founded by Lý Thái Thổ. And about the first dynasty in Vietnam, you can see the boy standing on the clouds. That's it, the Đinh Bộ Lĩnh. And when he was a young boy, he saw his talent in military and government affairs. He's a leader of local children working the mock war force against the children from another village. That's their legend in Vietnam. And when he reached his maturity, he also became a powerful warlord. And he defeated several rival warlords in Vietnam. He reunified the country. And he became the first king of Vietnam. He founded the first dynasty in Vietnam, Đinh dynasty. But after that, Đinh Bộ Lĩnh failed to provide the orderly succession. In Vietnam, we concept only the son, especially the eldest son, have the right to inherit everything. But Đinh Bộ Lĩnh wanted the second son inherit the throne. So the first son, ladies and gentlemen, can you guess what did he do? The first son killed the second one to get the throne. But the first son and Đinh Bộ Lĩnh died in the battle. So the third son, only 6 years old, became the king of Vietnam. And in the middle of the picture, you see that boy? That's the 6 years old king. Yeah, and with the 6 years old king, he couldn't manage the country. At the time, China wanted to invade Vietnam again. So the Queen Dương Vân Nga, the mother of the 6 years old king, made a decision. She asked her son to the throne to Lê Hoàn. Lê Hoàn was the top general of Đinh Bộ Lĩnh, and Lê Hoàn took over the country. He defeated 2 Chinese armies answering independence for Vietnam, and he became the second king of Vietnam. He founded the second dynasty in Vietnam, Lê dynasty. But in 1009, the last king in Lê family passed away because of disease when he was only 24 years old. And no one in Lê family became the king of Vietnam. So Lý Thái Thổ took over the country, and he founded the third dynasty in Vietnam, Lý dynasty. And as you can see, this area is surrounded by limestone mountain. Yeah, it's easy, it's convenient to protect, to defend the country, but inconvenient to develop the country. It's very small. So in 1010, Lý dynasty decided to move the capital from here to Thăng Long in the past. I mean Hanoi in modern day in 1010. And in 17th century, the locals here built a temple to honor the first king in Vietnam, Đinh Temple, over there. And now we go inside. Please follow me. Thank you. Yeah.
This is a very beautiful country. I can tell you, you can feel the culture. Oh wow, look at that, look at those stairs.
Please wait for me here.
There's a bird up the top. Do you know what it is?
Here, ladies and gentlemen, on the top of the mountain, this is the Ma Yên mountain. And after the first king passed away, at that time, China wanted to go inside Vietnam again. And Vietnamese were afraid that if the Chinese say in Vietnam they dig again the grave of first king and do some bad thing with the body of first king. So they make more than 100 coffin and bury on the top of the mountain in this area. And one of them is the real one, made of gold, the golden coffin. And Vietnamese will believe that it's on the top of the mountain. But just for belief, no one can see the real one. Okay, just for belief. Okay, please wait for me here a minute. Let me see. Just one.
I can't. Honey, right? Could be.
Mommy, this way, let's go. Send me the show you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and now you can see in front of you is the dragon bed. Dragon bed, the national treasure. Dragon bed. But not if you're going to sleep, it only you the people come here and offer some offering for king inside the temple. But in the past, dragon bed made of gold or gilded. But when the third dynasty in Vietnam, Lê dynasty moved the capital from here to Thăng Long, then brought some gold or silver to Thăng Long. So in modern you only see the blue stone dragon bed. But on the surface you can see dragon decoration. Dragon decoration. In Vietnam, only the king or in places the king or in relics places can do dragon decoration. Because in Vietnamic concept there are 4 holy animals. With the first one, dragon represent for the power, the portal of country or absolutely authority of feudal state. So only the king can do dragon decoration. The second, unicorn represent for wisdom or prestige. And the third represent for longevity. And the phoenix represent for love, beauty of woman or lucky. 4 holy animals. But in two sides, over there you see that animal at the corner, blue stone animal over there. Yeah. And here it's closer. So you see? You know what are they? You know what are they? What they look like? No? Oh, they are the holy dog. The holy dogs is a combination of fierce dog and lion with the power of lion and wisdom of fierce dog. In China, in Japan, in Korea, you can see dragon, turtle, unicorn, or phoenix. But the holy dog is unique. Only in Vietnam we have the holy dog, and it represents for lucky for Vietnamese people. Number is the holy dog placed in front of gate come to the house, the temple or pagoda to remove the execution for temple or pagoda. The holy dog. And about that gate, you see that gate with 3 gates. 1, 2, 3. 3 gates represent for multitudes of 3 worlds.
Oh, in there. Is it inside or here? Take it off now. Ooh. Where can we take pictures in here, or just not in there? But just not inside. Okay.
Here it's okay, no?
Okay.
It's water.
Hello. Wow. This is absolutely gorgeous. No, that's okay. Miss, can you take my picture when you're done? Thank you so much. That's the problem when you go somewhere in the world by yourself. You have nobody to take you have nobody to take your picture.
धडपडत चालते